We always try to make the most out of our days, and it's the same for us when it comes to photography and filmmaking. We're off to land a couple of content creators living in Sydney, and whilst we both shoot, we each have our own different style and approach.
I prefer mirrorless cameras. They're smaller and lighter, so I find the M6 Mark II pretty awesome for travel and everyday moments. And the 180-degree flip screen is great for selfies or vlogging. I love to shoot wildlife, so 14 frames per second with full autofocus tracking on such a small body is really great.
I think for me the 90D makes sense because I'm a DSLR shooter, so I'm used to that form factor, the deeper grip. I shoot a lot of video as well, so the specs on these cameras are pretty impressive, you know, like having 4K 30p and dual pixel autofocus, no crop, and the high frame rate for slow motion is pretty cool.
I love photographing flowers, and the sensor on this camera gives me loads of detail because there's so much resolution to play with.
Since a lot of our content is landscape and adventure-based, being able to capture high-quality images in various conditions and situations is really essential to us. For me, having the vari-angle LCD touchscreen is a really nice thing because when I shoot videos and stills, I want to get that different perspective. I want to be able to shoot from different angles and positions, so that comes in very handy. We always love trying new gear, and we really enjoyed our 24 hours with these cameras because we felt right at home straight away and managed to capture content that we were really happy with.